All right, boys, day 3. We're heading to GURTY's now this morning, and we're about to pack up and ship out the past like 2 weeks of orders. I told GURTY to hold off when he dipped the other day. I said, wait for your boys to get down there. Let's show the people how much work has been going into and how much effort has been going into getting you guys your pocket check stickers, your CW stickers. And honestly, I want to give you guys some shout outs because anybody who's supporting and copying merch, it literally does blow my mind to have support like that. So that's what your boys are going to do right now. We're going to take you along the way for this one because we've been secretly doing it for way too long. GURTY's been secretly doing it. On because this homie pack a bucket checks February 6th, and because of the delay, you're not just getting your order or double your order, you're getting CGs, stickers, lanyards, holographics, Avo, you love to hear it, CBDs, colorful stoke. You're getting all the pocket check stickers still, don't worry about that. A couple extra in there, some CVs, we'll grab a couple more C-dubs, maybe you'll love to hear it. How you done? Sorry for the delay, coming in hot. We did it, a month's worth of orders, including snowboard giveaways. I gotta give some shout outs. Fishy Fisher, honestly, some of you guys, when I ask for shipping info, don't give me your name included in it. I screenshot it. Be on the lookout if you ordered something. We got Aaron Peters, Francisco Quintana. This is about to get crazy. Matthew Donato, Sean O'Brien, Kelly Duchek, Blizzy B, Christian Russo, Angelo Lucero, Caleb Russell, Ryan Sylvia, Anthony Slater, the G, Jacob Kilmartin, Shabnam Azimi, Deja Mint, Bo Sherbing, Matthew Lukes, Kyle Pulford, Darren Patel, Kevin Bauscher, Devin McGessel, Kevin Kucharski, Casey Adamix, botched it, Nolan Murphy, AJ Costanza, Logan Neese, Evan Knowlton, Jason Hunter, Nicholas Hewlett, Greg Patano, Laura Watson, Paige Herman, Vincent Patau, Nicholas Bandy, Matthew Kem, Colin Brown, Patrick Kyle, William Miller, Trevor Cars, Joe Lee, Sydney Luvisi, Ivor Morell, Nate Brown, Esther Shattle, and if I already shouted you out, you're getting another one, Aaron Peters, for ordering the Mike Dawsey C-Dub skateboard iconic photo print. Your guys' support means the world. To be honest, I probably didn't even make any money because I waited so long and then I felt bad that I wanted to hook everybody up. I basically tripled the orders, and a bunch of the other stuff was all giveaway stuff, and I give away products and then actually cover the ship. I'm just trying to dial in the boys with the dream. I got so much stuff. Shout out to GURTY for helping me ship everything, and this was just the Casey Willax Big Cartel. And the giveaway stuff is all straight freaking hands-on from your boys, and we did not even have enough time to do the Avo apparel orders. That's full-on GURTY session because we made the announcement this morning. We're doing Creek, and everybody was claiming Friday was the day. It's Friday, it's noon, so we're packing up some more gear into the whip. We're gonna drop all these things off at the post office on the way. We're almost out of stickers, so I literally shut down the site. This is all we got left, and I'm trying to just hand them all out. And then one final shout out here. We got some mail from Kelsey Boyer with Save a Brain. And this video is probably not going to drop till freaking April because I'm so caught behind on all the stoke. But she sent this note. Thank you for taking the pledge. And Save a Brain is just a brain awareness company, a helmet awareness company. Welcome to Save a Brain Helmet Pledge. Congrats on taking this important first step. Your journey is just beginning and the real celebration is at the finish line. Start by proudly displaying your custom pledge sticker and buckle up for an impactful march. Your commitment directly supports our happy helmets and educational programs, helping to make a difference in brain health, safety, and awareness. By wearing your helmet, you're not only protecting your own brain, but also setting an example for your loved ones and community. Big thank you from the Save a Brain team, and cheers to a month of wearing your helmet. Basically, for the month of March, they're just claiming if you're ever in limbo about whether or not you should wear a helmet, it's just a challenge to commit for the month of March. So if you're watching this now, commit for the month of April, but just 1 month. They made these dope stickers. I don't know how you can make so many dope designs in such a short amount of time, but it literally says this sticker was cheaper than a TBI. Take the Save a Brain pledge. So thank you, Kelsey. Thank you, Save a Brain. They're always supporting. She's so dope. And just to spread a little awareness, we're not trying to pressure anybody into anything. We're not trying to make fun of people for not wearing their helmets, but we're just trying to say, if you don't think helmets are cool, there's no one cooler than the boys, and we're all wearing helmets. And who cares what anybody thinks about you? As long as you're putting down tricks and you have something that's going to protect you. For me personally, it just makes me feel like I can push it that little extra bit because I'm protected, and I've also built my setup to be so comfortable that I feel really weird and awkward without it. I don't like snowboarding without a helmet, so that's just for me. Here we go. We're heading to Creek. Thank you guys for supporting and stoking on this little 3-4 day down day getaway in the NARV way. Thanks to everybody for copping some merch and supporting here. It's all going back to the dream. Love you. See you soon. Woo! T-gap on them today. Woo! Still going strong. Beyond grateful. No, that's it.
In the middle of the creek right now. Full terrain park. Into the vlog. Boom.
The boys are freaking stoked. Let's go. Yo, we got the ladies all freaking crossed out.
That's a thing.
It's so that it doesn't
You're both
get
crazy.
in there.
We're both crazy. We don't know how to put our boots on.
I love the vlogs, man. So like a scooter.
It's going down great.
We're at Mount Creek. The boys made it. I can't believe it. I've been freaking putting this out there for years. This is my dream come true. The boys at Creek is my local mountain. Let's freaking go.
We love this guy, dude.
Did I bring out the Halloween box? All right, before we go any further, this video is going to be sponsored by Element, and you want to know why? Because on days like this, when you show up and you're a little low on energy, Element makes these dope, convenient, delicious satchels with the perfect ratio of salt, potassium, and magnesium, aka sodium, that a lot of people are afraid of, which we shouldn't be, because without it, our bodies actually can't absorb the water that we're consuming. So thanks to Element, they have been boosting up our energy levels to perform at the best of our ability for the past couple years, and they are offering you guys a free sample pack of all the flavors if you order anything on their website using the link www.drinklmnt.com/caseywillax. So huge shout out to Element for the extra energy boost and giving us hundreds of sample packs to throw out to you guys on the road. So not only supporting us, but actually supporting the viewers and the people we meet every single day. Let's jump back into this. Hand out some energy packs and get crazy at Creek. Some Element, bro?
You're blessed.
I got it. Let's go. Yo, get a clip, get a clip. Oh yeah, baby.
What's up? You got the park crew out here. Hell yeah, bro.
Stoke level, boys.
Over stoking.
Dude, where's the snow at, boys? Quadruple down. Waterfall, Checky. Bro, some of these are burly. Oh, side kicker. Bro, Gertie, I told you we should have been here, bro. Gertie's been holding out on us. Gertie's been holding out on us.
Look at me, dude. I'm a filmer now.
Love Creek Trade Park. What color am I gonna pull out of my pocket, Gertie? What flavor?
Grapefruit. Got one more try?
Nope. I got a better idea. Don't look. Give you a sample test. As long as you don't cheat. Slushy sloshy. Might not be strong enough. Give it a go. Give her a sample. What you thinking?
Is it raspberry or strawberry? I forget which one. It's the red one.
There ain't no strawberry, bruh.
It's raspberry, huh?
You win nothing. You've already won at life. There's nothing else we could give you.
I'm already freaking drowning in elements.
Let's go, bro. The accidental full teach.
All right, fine. We don't gotta go.
Yes, sir.
C block.
Yeah, time!
Trailing you, bro.
Casey Willax for the people, bro.
Doesn't get much better than that.
There you go.
Trucky.
Yeah, he's the one that told me to snowboard. It's been 4 or 5 years, and I didn't think, get down the mountain and look up on YouTube one day. I got Casey pop up, next thing you know, watch every video he's posted since. Let's go. Boys, let's go.
I saw a couple turtles in it. Shut her down.
appreciate the freaking love tonight, dude. That shit was crazy.
What's the claim on Element? Let's hear something.
I don't know. Haven't tried it yet. I'm feeling pretty stokey. It's gonna hit the heart where I need it to. Keep me alive. Keep me on them rails.
Yeah.
Maybe, you know, get a little pretz out tomorrow or so.
Just one more. Beanie up. Turkey. He's got two. The pass off. Dangs over here, bro. Dude, you went.
I hope you could see if there's a clip
Yes.
of how much I went over the
Dude,
jump.
at least double and a half. You hadn't
There was
been
no
through
landing.
there yet.
I didn't go through there yet, and I just boom. At least I had landed.
Homie was hitting the jump with you.
He was.
There was
yeah.
someone in the air with you, bro, but you were just
I
so
was hyped.
much
I was like, he's
further.
with me right now. Boom!
Yo, you went underground on that thing.
Dude, thank you so much, yo. Oh my God, yo. So thank you, bro. So.
Whoa. What? Just filming your rig right now? What's happening?
Every single day this season.
Wait, the mirrors are going on.
Keep it alive.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Boy.
Oh yeah, boys. We'll see you again soon.